Hey guys, this is Anupama and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys the making of this beautiful teapot. You can use this as a planter or even you can use it to water your small indoor plants like succulents or cactus, or even you can use it as a table decor. So let's get started. This is the pot which I bought from the local shop, which is kept aside as a scrap. You can see the nozzle is broken and I will be attaching a handle here, and I will be increasing the length of the nozzle. So for that I am using clay. This is the Shilpkar clay I am using. Just press over the nozzle to increase the length of the nozzle. Just soften the clay using talcum powder. Make an opening at the edge of the nozzle. Now for the handle I am using this aluminium wire. Just bend it to form a handle. Now take some clay and cover the aluminium wire with this clay from outside. Cover it properly. Use talcum powder to make it soft. And now I am using glue gun to stick the handle. Now to increase the strength of the handle, I am covering both the edges with more clay, just like this. Now start designing the pot to cover the joints of the handle and nozzle. This gives beautiful look to your pot as well as it increases the handle strength. Here I am using pen to make impressions on clay to form beautiful patterns. Even you can use clay tools. So this is how it looks once you are done with the handle. Follow the same process to cover the joints of the nozzle. Start covering the edges of the pot opening and the bottom part with clay. And start giving impressions for the top and bottom part. It looks like the design is bit incomplete, so thought of expanding the design. So just started forming petals like this around the circle. Form the petals round the circle to get a flower shape. Do this to the handle as well. This is how it looks. Now start painting the pot with white texture paint. Here I am using Camlin texture white. Texture white dries off quickly and makes surface easy to paint. Now I am using brown acrylic paint to cover the design part of the pot. Just apply 2 coats of brown near the nozzle and near the handle. And over this brown acrylic paint, start forming a coat of gold acrylic paint. Now I am using yellow acrylic paint to cover the pot, excluding the nozzle and the handle. For the nozzle and handle I will be using red. This is looking so beautiful, you can leave it as such or even you can design it more. Now I am using 3D outliner to give it a finishing touch. Just I am drawing a simple pattern like this. From many days these mini cups are lying with me, which are gifted by my friends. So thought of forming a similar design such that it matches the teapot. Even for these I had used texture white as a base for covering the cups, followed by yellow and red acrylic paints. The edges, now I am doing it with brown. Now I am using this gold 3D outliner to form a similar design such that it matches the teapot. Now we are done with our cups as well. This is how it looks. That's it guys, we are done with our teapot and this is the final look. And our teapot is ready for display with vibrant colors. That's it for today guys. I hope you guys like today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.